Whose birthday is it today?
No, I can do it.
You gonna start again?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to baby Harrison. Hi, Maddie.
Whose birthday is it today?
Harrison.
Baby Harrison. Say have a good day.
Have a good day.
It gets better.
Make it bigger.
Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera, Sid. Stop playing with your socks.
Bye.
Mason. Can you sing?
Bye.
Can you say happy birthday?
Bye. Happy birthday.
Can you say happy birthday, Mace?
Bye. Santa. He said happy city. Wait.
Say bye, Sid. Say bye.